Hi everyone, today we have an unboxing for the AVAPOW portable tire inflator and air compressor. First of all, I want to thank AVAPOW for sending me this to review. I was not paid to make this video. Everything is stored in this hard shell toolbox. You get a manual in multiple languages. A USB-C charger but no wall plug. 4 separate attachments for various items like bicycles, balls, etc. And the hose connection with the tire inflator attached. Everything here weighs about 1.2 pounds total. It was fully charged right out of the box, which is really nice. The button layout is easy to understand and operate. For added utility, it includes a light with 3 different modes: flashlight, SOS, and strobe. It has 4 separate presets for different types of tires. You can cycle through 3 different units of pressure. Now, let's test it out on my EV bike tire. For the sake of time, I sped up this part of the video. I hope this helped you learn about the AVAPOW tire inflator. Thanks for watching.